Greetings to everyone. Welcome to Practical Man. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter of Mercedes ML63 2010 model. So for this you just need a replacement cabin filter. This is a good brand in here locally. So I'm going to remove the bonnet and replace it. I'll show you how to do it. So nothing much preparation needed for this, just the filter. Okay, let's get started. Okay, just put the vehicle in the parking, brakes on. Now the cabin filter is placed usually on the passenger side, behind that. So to remove that, there are some two clamps there. Okay, right, to remove these clamps you need to have a small flat screwdriver. Just slide it underneath the base and just lift up, it opens. Same on the other side. Yeah, it's open. Now let me pull this off. And there's the two filters there. Okay. Off. Right, got the two hold on off. Let's put the new one. Needs a lot of fiddling work. Put it in. So just move this to the side. The next one in. So what do you? The idea is to just give a small squeeze and put it back, so it comes back. You don't need to worry about. Do a small squeeze once inside and push it back. Push it in. So, sitting beautifully there. That's it. Now let's put the cover back. One more thing, we give a good wipe and put that back. I'll just give a good wipe. Just hold on. Okay, just give a good wipe with the water. Now let's put this back in. So this thing. All done, guys. Yeah, this was the easiest one so far. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you probably in the next video. Thank you.